So good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for coming to say hello. You are so amazing. And I am so excited to be here in Pandeglang to meet you future doctors and nurses and engineers. Who is going to be a doctor? Put up your hand if you're going to be a doctor. Doctor? Ah! Oh. Who is going to be a teacher? Who is going to be an engineer? Engineer? Oh. How about computer engineer? How about businessman? Businesswoman? Yeah. Who is going to be a policeman or policewoman? Woo! Yes. How about soldier? Oh, you're going to be a soldier? Awesome. Okay. So thank you very much for coming to say hello. Do you have any questions for me? Oh, go on. Come on. Siapa punya pertanyaannya?